Hello everyone, welcome to the Jewelry Making Fun collaboration. I am your host of this. I am Deb with Dahlia Designs, Jewelry and More. And I haven't been on a whole lot lately. I'll try to do better, but this is a fun collab and it pushes me anyway, hopefully all of us, to do something maybe a little out of our comfort zone, use things in our stash, etc. So this month, our colors are bright yellow, orange, pink, red, and or green. So any combination of those colors, basically, because I have an and or. Optional challenge 1 is make a floral themed jewelry set. And optional challenge 2, which I did not do, is use brass, bronze, or copper findings. And I didn't do that because I started off with the May Bargain Bead Box, Tropical Heat, because the first sentence is, get ready for sunsets in paradise with a warm palette of red, pink, orange, and yellow. So, red, pink, orange, and yellow, 4 out of the 5 colors I listed here. And the findings are all gold. So I went with gold, although on the first piece I did use bronze beading wire. So anyway, I have a little bit in there, but not enough to mention. I didn't do a whole lot, but and also, I mean, the beads are beautiful. I'm not going to go through them. I didn't do an unboxing, but I'm sure other people did. I did bring in some light topaz and pink rondelle bead strands from Art Beads from 2013. I thought it was 18, but it's 13. I've had them for a while and they're gorgeous. They're like half and half, pink and yellow. And also from Fusion Beads, no longer in business, this sunrise glass bead mix, but it's all like flower beads. So the first piece is those first beads I showed with you from Art Beads, plus these are from the bead kit. The bead caps are from the bead kit. This crackle agate, I think, or something, is from the bead kit. The chain is from the bead kit, and the flower is from the bead kit. So that's my flower in this piece, and it does have from my stash a double loop gold toggle clasp, and it lays like that. I would wear it with the dangle going onto my hand, but you can wear it, you can wear it, be worn the other way with it dangling down your arm too. And yeah, I think that came out really cute. This is coming across orangey, but it's like a bright magenta pink. Really pretty. I love that piece. I would wear that. And then to go with that, I had these little lever backs in my stash from Fire Mountain, I think. One sec. I'm sure. Yes, from Fire Mountain. They're flower. They have a flower on them. Keeping with the flower. Bead cap from the set. This is one of the Art Beads pieces. This is from the Bargain Bead Box, and so is the flower. And just two, my favorites, double dangles. Now these are not double-sided. They'll show gold in the back, but if you have long hair, that really isn't going to matter much. And this color also is coming across very orangey, but it's called crimson, and it's more of a pink. It's not as bright a pink as this. Yeah. So anyway, I really like those too. I hope you do too. I usually hook things right onto the eye pin up here or something, but this time I used 5mm jump rings because I have them. So the next pair is kind of tutti fruity. I brought in more orange and yellow and also a little bit of pink, pale pink. These are fusion beads, fusion beads. The bead cap is Bargain Bead Box, Bargain Bead Box. And I have one of those little orange ones underneath here also. I don't know if you can see that. And I just layered the little flower beads, flower bell caps, or whatever you want to call them, pink, yellow, and then the orange little piece. And here I used orange, pink, and orange. I thought they were pretty, very cute for spring and summer. And the next one, I just went orange, because why not? Usually if I'm getting, dressed and looking for, I have a sharp thing here and I tried getting it, but I didn't get it successfully, apparently. Maybe I should go. I'm using, I don't usually do this, but I have them right here, my crimping pliers to kind of crimp around and, oh yeah, much better. It tucked it in, tuck in those sharp ends, because they can catch on your hair or if you lay it down on your clothing or something. These are sparkly yellow triangle beads from the bargain bead box. So I just put some of them in to add a little sparkle since I don't have bead caps up there. And then the bead caps are down here. And I put the yellow sparkly triangle beads underneath this time too. Very pretty, monochromatic sort of with the orange. And that is all I have. I have one more of these flowers left, and I think I'm going to make a piece with chain and bead stations, but I didn't have time because of course the 18th snuck up on me. And I have everything covered up under here. I have bargain bead box and bead tray and a bead sorter thing over here, which you can't see. This blue thing has little compartments. So I'll be working with the bargain bead box more, and we'll come back and share more finished pieces probably in a couple days. All right, take care. I hope you enjoyed. Please be sure to go check everyone else out that is linked down below, except one. Penny, her name might still be shown there, but I'll put a note behind it in mine. I forgot to tell the others. She will be bowing out the rest of the year because of personal things going on in her life. So anyway, yeah, unfortunately, if life happens, I have to understand. So, all right, guys, take care. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you again very soon, either on this channel or the other channel. I seem to be on more lately, but I'll try to catch up here a little bit too. Take care. Hugs, love, and peace.